Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can change the grid size in your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can change the grid size. Let's say, for example, you'd like to change the size of the grid layout view. To do that, navigate to your board, click into these three dots in the top left, and navigate to view, and hover your mouse over grid and select one of these grid line options like this one here or dotted grid. You can use these. So for example, let me switch to that one. Now if you don't see these because the background is white, as you can see, if I zoom in closer you will see these grid lines. So you can do that. The other option, guys, would be to add a table with grids. So you can do that by heading over to the Tools, Media and Integrations section here. It's at the bottom of that sidebar to the left. Use the search bar here and look for grid. There you go. Click into it. And now, guys, here to the right, you will see these templates. So you can select how many rows and how many columns you want your grid to have. So let me go with a pretty large one. I think the maximum size is this one here. I can't go beyond that. So let me go with that one. Click into your presentation. And there you go. Now you can resize your grid by, for example, left clicking and holding your left mouse into one of its corners and simply resize it. There you go. You can move it around here. And then, guys, if you'd like to add, for example, more columns and rows to your grid, left click into it. And what you want to do next, guys, is, as you can see, that's the maximum you can add, or you can add more rows and columns by clicking into these plus buttons here at the top. So actually, I can go beyond that, as you can see, so you can add as many rows as you like. And there you go, so a pretty large grid. Now, if you'd like to change the size of these rows and columns, guys, what you will need to do is simply click into, let me just zoom in a bit, click into one of these rows or columns and simply resize it. There you go, by left clicking and holding your left mouse, and do the same for these lines here. And that is going to resize these cells as well as your entire grid, as you can see. And now you can fill these cells with content, guys. So that's how you change the size of grids in your ports on Miro. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.